parol gran moun pou ti moun yo grandi nan yon lot Haiti.
Good evening. I am your English teacher, Professor Ellie. Today, we're going to learn more about Earth. Earth is the planet we live on. So today, we're going to learn all about the planet we live on. So, let's get started. Earth is the planet that we live on. Earth is 71% water and 29% landmass. Landmass and water. We have more water on Earth than we have land. Earth is approximately 510,072,000 square kilometers. Let's repeat that number again. 510,072,000 square kilometers. That's a really big number. Okay, let's continue. Out of that 510,072,000 kilometers, we have 361,132,000 square kilometers of water. Let's repeat. 361,132,000 square kilometers of water. That is 71% water on Earth. The land only takes 29%. So, let's begin. Earth have 7 continents. 7 continents and 5 oceans. 5 oceans. Again, Earth have 7 continents and 5 oceans. 7 continents and 5 oceans. Let's list the continents. We have Antarctica, Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, North America, and South America. Let's review. We have Antarctica, Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, North America, and South America. These are our 7 continents. 7 continents. We also have 5 oceans. 5 oceans. Let's start with our oceans. We have the Arctic Ocean. We have the Atlantic Ocean. We have the Pacific Ocean. We also have the Indian Ocean. And last, we have the Southern Ocean. So Earth have 5 oceans. Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. We have the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. We have the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. And last, we have the Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean. When we talk about Earth, we say Earth is made up of bodies of water, and land masses. Land masses. Let's start with land masses. We have 3 types of land masses on Earth. 3 types of land masses. We have supercontinents. Supercontinents. We have continents. Continents. And we have islands. Islands. We just spoke about the 7 continents that we have. 7 continents. But if we want to talk about our supercontinents, we have 4 supercontinents. 4 supercontinents. Supercontinents is when we join different continents into one group. So, the first supercontinent is Afro-Eurasia. Afro-Eurasia. Afro-Eurasia consists of 3 continents, which is Africa, Asia, and Europe. Africa, Asia, and Europe make up the supercontinent Afro-Eurasia. Afro for Africa, Euro for Europe, and Asia for Asia. Our next supercontinent is the Americas. Americas. The Americas are made up of 2 continents, which is North America and South America. North and South America combined make up one supercontinent called the Americas. The Americas. We call the supercontinent the Americas because North America and South America both have America in their name. So these 2 continents, North America and South America, make up one supercontinent called the Americas. The next 2 supercontinents are Antarctica and Australia. Antarctica and Australia. As you know, Australia is already considered a continent by itself, and so is Antarctica. They're both one continent each. So we have Australia as a supercontinent and a regular continent, and we have Antarctica as a supercontinent and one continent by itself. So, again, let's review. On land masses, we have supercontinents, continents, and islands. We discussed continents already. Remember, we have 7 continents. Now we discussed supercontinents, which we have 4 supercontinents. The first one is Afro-Eurasia, which consists of Africa, Europe, and Asia. It takes 3 continents to make up one supercontinent called Afro-Eurasia. Afro-Eurasia. Africa, Europe, and Asia. Our next supercontinent is the Americas. The Americas. The Americas consist of North America and South America. North America and South America together becomes the supercontinent called the Americas. Australia and Antarctica remain a continent by themselves. By themselves. Which means Australia is a continent and a supercontinent. Antarctica is a continent and a supercontinent. The last of our land masses that we're going to discuss is islands. We have many islands on Earth. Haiti is on the island of Hispaniola. Haiti is on the island of Hispaniola. Hispaniola is an island. So is Cuba, Hawaii, and many, many others. Islands are little small land masses surrounded by water. They are too small to be considered continents. Too small to be continents. So we call them islands. They're small land masses surrounded by water on all sides. Next, we're going to go to bodies of water. We previously discussed our oceans. We have 5 oceans, which are bodies of water. But we also have different other types of bodies of water. We have rivers, seas, we have lakes, gulfs, bays. Again, let's review. We have rivers, seas, lakes, and bays. We also have gulfs and streams or creeks, which are little rivers. They're small rivers. When I say a stream or a creek, that means it's a small river. We have deltas. Deltas is where river and the ocean meet. That is the area where the river and the ocean meet. That's what we call a delta. It is also considered a body of water. Some bodies of water are not natural, which means they are artificial or man-made. That means a human created this body of water. One prime example of a man-made body of water is a canal. A canal. The most famous canal on Earth is the Panama Canal. It is the most famous man-made body of water on Earth, the Panama Canal. This concludes our lesson for today. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next show. Goodbye.